this project, I'm going to need a heat gun, 9 by 11 piece of cardboard, 3 cups for mixing the epoxy itself, a squeegee or applicator, a mixing stick, and a pair of gloves. The painting was completed on an 11 by 14 stretch canvas, which is soft in the middle. And the purpose of the cardboard is to show support so that the epoxy, once it is applied to the canvas, it won't stretch the canvas in the middle. The cardboard is cut 9 by 11 so that it can fit into the center section of the canvas to help support the weight of the epoxy. Once you flip the canvas over, it has support in the middle to protect this canvas so it won't stretch. The epoxy contains 2 bottles, one 16-ounce bottle of resin and one 16-ounce bottle of hardener. Because the canvas is so small, I'm going to be putting the same amount of hardener as I put resin, equal parts. Now you take cup A and you pour it into cup B. Once you do that, then you mix for 6 minutes. Until it begins to get warm. There's a reason why I mentioned the 3 cups. After you finish stirring for 6 minutes, then you pour the mix into the 3rd cup. And you mix that for another 6 minutes. So once 6 minutes has passed, then you pour the epoxy on the image. And you take your applicator and you start spreading. The epoxy may be filled with bubbles from mixing it. The epoxy is self-leveling, so anything that is not evenly distributed, it will level itself out. To prevent dust from settling on the top of your surface or any particles, here's anything. Cover it for at least 8 hours.